Stroke expected standards, backstroke. The body must be kept as horizontal, stretched and streamlined as possible, with the head pillowed and the eyes looking upwards and towards the feet. The head should remain steady throughout, maintaining strong central core stability. The shoulders and upper body rotate into an early catch and achieve a long, efficient pathway. When the shoulders break the surface, with the roll the hips will ride just below the waterline to allow for an efficient leg kick. With an efficient arm action, a strong central core and an appropriate leg kick, the swimmer will minimize snaking. The alternating kick balances the rolling upper body movements and maintains streamlining. Using a continuous movement which predominantly originates at the hip, the swimmer maintains a steady, rhythmical leg kick, keeping the movement within the body width. The toes are pointed with the ankles relaxed for in-toeing, and the knees will bend to take full advantage of the accelerating upbeat. The movement finishes with a whip-like action, making a small splash as the big toes break the surface. The speed, power, depth, and knee flexion can vary and will largely depend on the strength and maturity of the swimmer and the distance and pace of the swim. The arm action must be balanced, controlled, and rhythmical. The hand enters the water little finger first, slicing at a point in front of the head between the shoulder and the center line. The body then rolls onto the extended arm, pressing outwards and downwards to the catch, at which point the shoulder rotates and the elbow flexes to take the full pressure of the propulsive phase. The hand accelerates through to the hip in an S-shaped pathway, finishing with the palm pressing towards the pool floor, facilitating the roll onto the leading arm. With the hand relaxed, the straight arm exits the water cleanly and is taken back to a point of entry over the shoulder and close to the central core line. Flexibility, strength, and maturity will be contributing factors to the roll and therefore the distance achieved per stroke. The swimmer has to adopt a regular breathing pattern, which must have a relationship between exhalation and the efforts phases of the stroke. The swimmer should be able to vary and maintain pace dependent on speed and distance of the swim. The kicking and arm cycle must be coordinated and controlled with a steady head position. All actions must be smooth and continuous and show a relationship between stroke length and stroke rate, power, and speed.